Hello students, I am starting error analysis, an important portion of class 11 physics. We know that in physics quantities are measured, means physics is science of measurement. Whenever a quantity is measured by some instrument or different people, we get different results. But the quantity has one unique value. Therefore, two values are assigned to a physical quantities. First is true value or standard value, and second one is measured value or observed value. The difference between the two values, I am saying difference between the two values is called absolute error. Suppose we are taking many observations of some measurement and measured values are found to be A1, A2, A3 and so on up to n. Then mean of all the values is called mean measured value. The difference between the two values is taken, which gives absolute error. Suppose many observations are taken and you want to find mean absolute error, then all the absolute errors are converted into mean value, that is average is taken. Ratio of mean absolute error and true value is called relative error or fractional error. Fractional error multiplied with 100 gives percentage error. We also know that in physics quantities are represented as expressions. These expressions may be in form of sum or difference or multiplication or division. If a quantity is represented as sum or difference of two quantities or more quantities, and we want to find error in the quantity, then A and B, that is quantities coming on in the expression, are measured. Every measurement will give some error. Suppose quantity is represented as x equal to a plus b or x equal to a minus b, and we are getting errors as delta a and delta b respectively, then absolute error in measurement of x will be delta x equal to plus minus delta a plus delta b. You should keep in mind whether expression is in terms of addition or subtraction. In both the conditions, the error will be delta A plus delta B. Similarly, a quantity x is represented as product of two quantities A and B or division of two quantities A and B. Then if A and B are measured, both the measurements will give some error, so x will also have some error. In such condition, fractional error or relative error in x is given as delta x by x is equal to plus minus delta a by a plus delta b by b. Again, you keep in mind whether expression is in terms of multiplication or division. In both the conditions, the expression will have plus sign between delta a upon a and delta b upon b. Sometimes expression is represented as multiplication or division of some quantities, and these quantities are having certain powers. Again, measurement of a and b will give some error, so there will be some error in x obviously. In such condition, fractional error in x is given as delta x by x is equal to plus minus p times delta a by a plus q times delta b by b, and so on. Here p and q are powers raised on a and b. I suppose you could understand properly. Thank you.